जब आपको पता चला कि ये सॉन्ग करना है, हाउ मच वर यू एक्साइटेड? एंड डेफिनेटली वी नो कि वरुण एंड आलिया आर लाइक वेरी डांस फ्रीक इन फैक्ट, लाइक तो हाउ मच यू एंजॉय शूटिंग?
Dance freak?
You
Free or
enjoy
freak?
dancing?
Yeah. of
Alia is
course.
a freak.
I don't know. I was very excited. Varun actually was the one who called me up and said, Alia, we're doing Tamma Tamma. We have to bring our A game on. We have to rehearse. We have to look amazing. We have to look smashing. Because that's what Varun always does. No? He'll always call me up and charge me up. And if I'm even a little bit down, I'll suddenly be up and I'll be all over the place. But that's actually how excited we were. I mean, as Shashank said, if we had given the chance, we'll do it all over again. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Hit hogi, na?
Yeah, definitely. Varun, what
You know, I'll tell you something very on. It might sound freaky. I knew I'm going to do this song someday in my career. And this happened to me when I was 16 years old, working out with Sanjay Dutt in his own gym. And he had his CD disc player that time, and there was this Tamma Tamma written on it with fell pen. So it was the original mix version, I mean, of that time. And I said, Sanju sir, can I play this? And I was like, yeah, play. And he was in a Ganji and he had this beat marne ke liye wo band pen the wo pehna hua tha. And we put it on and the dun. And I was just looking at him and he's double my size. But I was like, dude, अगर मैं ये गाना करूँगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. Tamma Tamma again. I started imagining वो bubble आता है. And it's happened now. And if you dream it, it can happen.
तो पहले वाले गाने की क्या यादें हैं अगर आज याद आता है कि संजू बाबा माधुरी स्टेज पे?
अगर वो आज ये स्टेज पे होते तो हम लोग ये
नहीं होते।
बिल्डिंग में नहीं होते. पर नो, आई थिंक व्हाट वी डिड वाज हम लोग ने जाके संजू सर को गाना दिखाया, हम लोग ने जाके माधुरी मैम को गाना दिखाया. एंड दे बोथ gave us that encouragement and that's why we are so fired up today. More than that, I think Bappi Da, who is the original creator of this track, he's re-recorded his voice after so many years. Bappi Da re-recorded his voice. He's in this track, and when he gave his blessing, I mean, I spoke to him saying, "Tu mera bachcha hai," and all. So I felt so good about that. And Sanju sir said he's played with Alia as literally like a toddler, like.
As a child, yeah.
As a child, मतलब you're a baby.
I was a baby when I'm still a baby, but
अभी तो आलिया बड़ी हो गई है नहीं बड़ी हो गई है? अभी हो गई यार.
Nobody's agreeing. 3 people have said हो गई है. सब लोग कह रहे नहीं बच्ची है अभी भी.
और इसमें नागिन वाला
What do I feel? मैं अभी 24 की होने वाली हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत बड़ी हो गई.
काफी है 24.
पिछले साल से तो बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं.
Alia, here. Madhuri is known for a great dancing moves. Was it a little difficult on your part to step into her shoes for this?
तो
song?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे ही बोल दिया था that I am not trying to step into her shoes because that is totally impossible. Obviously बहुत इनफैक्ट जब हम गए थे उनको दिखाने के लिए मैं ऐसे बैठी थी वहाँ पे because I was so nervous क्योंकि मैं बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ उनकी. And Varun was saying, you know, Alia, I want to take a video of Madhuri ji, but looking at you, I just want to take a video of your expression right now.
मतलब माधुरी मैम ऐसे देख रही थी और आलिया माधुरी मैम को देखे. Her reaction for 3 minutes, Alia was just like.
The night before that मेरे को सपने आ रहे थे कि I was supposed to go to her house and I forgot to go and I was getting nightmares and getting so scared because it's such a
Even
big
when we
deal.
went to meet Sanju sir, so we were sitting in the car and Alia told her driver, हाँ बाबा के घर लो, बाबा के. I said बाबा के घर तेरे दोस्त है क्या बाबा के घर?
1 second. I said आपको संजय दत्त का घर पता है? He said हाँ पता है. Then Sunil, my driver, who's a very big fan of Sanjay Dutt, he told Manoj, who is Varun's driver, बाबा के घर जाना है. So he's the one who said Baba, not me. No, but everybody calls him Baba, so then, but I said Sanjay Dutt.
Can you share some anecdotes, both of you, about your first meeting with both Sanjay and Madhuri as a child?
Actually, I have a great. My dad was doing this film with Madhuri ma'am called Yarana, which had Rishi Kapoor and her, and we were shooting in Switzerland, and there would be these long bus rides where we would go and. In the bus, we would play the song. In the bus, we would play the song, and I would remember dancing with her. I would dance a lot with her. So, in fact, recently when I met her, she said, "Varun, the way you danced with me in that bus, till date, you've never danced on screen like that." Because obviously, I was much younger then, and she's like, "The day you do that, that's the time you'll be completely free because you didn't care who I was, what I was. You were just dancing and enjoying yourself." I mean, I didn't in my brain at that time. I couldn't fathom that I was dancing with the country's biggest star at that moment. But so I've danced with her in a bus.
Alia,
You had your own version of Chaiya Chaiya, but in a bus. मुझे याद नहीं है exactly. But I know I remember having Sanju around as a kid a lot क्योंकि he spent a lot of time with my father. So he knows me since I was a child. Madhuri ma'am, I think I met when I became an actor only. I don't think I met her. But actually मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते कि you know I know you since you were so small. But when I was so small, I had no idea who anybody
Listen, I'm
was.
still so small only.
वरुण इसमें नागिन जैसी लड़की का क्या है? कुछ वो फिल्म में डायलॉग
कौन सी लड़की सर?
इसमें नागिन
बीन बजाती हुई
बीन
नागिन।
बजाती-
वैसे ना ये है ना नगीना.
तो सिर्फ गाने में ही है या फिल्म में भी ऐसी कुछ बातें होंगी?
फिल्म में भी है. एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर से ये जोक चलता था जब मिकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर इनका मेकअप करते थे. ये अपना
You remember?
ये अपना लिपस्टिक खा जाती थी. तो लिपस्टिक डालते थे. ये खाना नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज शी वाज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट.
Don't say
लिपस्टिक
that.
खा लेती थी. सो वी वुड कॉल हर नगीना.
एक्चुअली मेरा पेट नेम है नगीना, but I think उसका इससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है.
I think that's all credit to Tanishq Bagchi, who's the music director and who's recreated the song beautifully for us. Amin Siani ki आवाज है. He's 90 years old, guys, and he's recorded this. Voice is his real voice, and he's done it now. So I mean, thank you, Amin Saab, for doing that for us. Thank you.
So